Why do I always choose UAG Urban Armor Gear phone cases over any other phone cases out there for Samsung Galaxy S phones? Well, it's just not that I like UAG phone cases. It has to do with their excellent protection capabilities for the device, such as resistant to wear and tear, maintaining their structural integrity over time, and combination of impact resistant materials they use. The UAG cases designed typically have rugged and industrial look. They often features a combination of hard and softer materials, providing a good grip while adding an extra layer of protection. These cases are designed to fit securely around the phone, ensuring ease of access to button, ports, and other functions without obstructing them. The price range for these UAG cases for Samsung S23 and S22 Ultra phone cases are typically positions in the mid-range to higher price range due to their capability and protection features. The exact price will depend on the specific model and the device it's designed for, because these are well over $50, $60 phone cases. But hey, I like them, that's why I got them. So, to get more accurate and up-to-date information on the latest UAG phone cases and their features, I recommend checking customer reviews, visiting UAG official website, or referring to reputable tech websites and online retailers that offer detailed product descriptions and users' feedback. So check that out.